As we look at temperatures, though, it looks a little bit better for us to notice. Below average temperatures are expected to remain in our area as we head into October. Excuse me. Goodness, and as we go into the next 7 days.
Oh no, Jacob. It happens.
Woo, it
went down the
happens.
wrong pipe.
Oh, it did. You know, I'm just so happy with this. It's choking me up. This forecast just looks so good. But yeah, it's going to be cooler next week. Allergies and everything have been messing me up so bad. There's the voice coming back now. But you know, that dust we've seen the past couple of days really messing everyone's allergies up. I'm seeing it this morning. But it looks like we'll even see more of that dust with those gusty winds this weekend.
Well, you're not alone. Allergy season has been getting me too.